Hi, I'm Rhonda and this is Challenging Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a beautiful ziti dish with mushroom, and I'm going to show you how. Here are the items that you're going to need. You're going to need some type of pasta. I'm using penne because this is in my pantry. At least 2 cloves of garlic. Your mushroom, your butter, your olive oil, and some Parmesan. The brick is better. With a damp cloth, you want to take your mushroom and just wipe the dirt off of it. If you have to run it under cold water, do it very, very quickly, but that's only if you have to. So we'll just wipe these down. Now that we've wiped the dirt off of them, we're just going to go through and take off any spots down here that are discolored. And then we're just going to give them a nice slice, about like that. You can make them as thick as you would like, but just go through and do as many as you like. This is going to be our meat substitute, so the more in there, the meatier it is. Now, if those stems looked good, I would save them, but they don't. We're just gonna heat our stovetop up to about medium. Gonna put in 1 tablespoon of butter. As soon as our butter starts melting here, we can get our mushrooms in there. We don't want them to cook too much, just enough. We don't want them to be soggy. So this is going to be a quick fry. Mushrooms do hold a lot of moisture, so we just want to get some of that out and get some nice caramelization on the mushroom. That's what we're looking for. I added another half a tablespoon of butter here. So that's going to be 1.5 for the mushroom. You can use any kind of mushroom that you would like. I just happen to have these baby bellas that needed to be utilized. So here they are. I'm gonna get some of that moisture out there and get that color a nice brown. This is a really nice alternative to eating meat all the time. It's a great meatless dinner. Real quick here. That's about the way that you want it to look. You don't want them chewy. You just want to caramelize it quick and fast. Now I'm just going to transfer these mushrooms out into a bowl, because the next step, you need to get your pasta water ready and your pasta cooking at the same time that you're going to do your olive oil and garlic. They have to be synced just right. Okay, I've got my pot for my ziti. It's cold water, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add about half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Let that come up to a boil. And in my fry pan, we're going to add about 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. On medium heat. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my garlic and add it. See that color there? That's what you want. And I'm gonna add it with my mushrooms. There we go. And I'm just gonna shut the eye off right now because this is hot as I'm waiting for my pasta water. Should be about there. Yep. That'll do it. About half my bag. It's just the two of us eating. Now we just want to boil this probably 1 minute less than package direction. Okay, our pasta is ready to go. I have my oil. It's going to be on a low or medium low. You don't want it super duper hot because you're going to be adding pasta water in it, and we don't need any splashes, so do take care on this part. Just gonna add that right in there. I'm gonna add my pasta. It's very important that you do not rinse the pasta. I have this on medium, and I'm just going to mix this around, and I'm going to add my mushroom and my garlic in. I'm going to add our Parmesan. It's just going to make it nice and creamy. See how that cheese is like incorporating in the pasta water and the oil. A little bit more. A little more. There we go. Oops, they keep wanting to escape my pan. All right. We'll let that melt and then we'll plate it up. Now then just gonna top it with just a little bit more, whoops, cheese. As much as you would like. And a little bit of parsley. There. Isn't that beautiful? Gorgeous. Meatless meal. Very affordable as well. I want to thank you for stopping by Challenging Kitchen today. Thank you so much for all my subscribers and the new ones coming in. I really appreciate every single one of you. Thank you. I look forward to hearing from each and every one of you. Thank you. Give this recipe a try. Let me know how you like it. Like, share, and subscribe. And may God always bless you. Thank you.